because I'm a glutton for punishment, I'm going to risk this arrowhead again. Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Guess what I'm going to work on today? No, really, guess what I'm going to work on today? Because I don't know myself, other than it's going to be some kind of arrowhead made out of scrap, so stay tuned. Okay, so theoretically, this is what we're looking at. I'm going to take this piece of lawnmower blade steel, which is tough, but it's not high carbon, and I'm going to wrap it around this drill bit, which is brittle and high carbon and not so tough. So, and we'll see how that works out, but I think the arrowhead's going to be made out of the combination of these two, theoretically. Okay, there's a twist. There's 2 drill bits in there, and I give it a twist, and we're going to shape it into an arrowhead. Prettiest thing in the world. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. Let's clay it up and see what it looks like after that. Okay, it's clayed. Let's throw it in the furnace for a heat treat. Well, it does have a Hammond, and the file glides across the edge, so that's good. It is still ugly as sin. Alright, the ugly arrow. I did not fletch this. Just put the arrowhead out. Windy, but we're going to test the arrow. It's an ugly beast, isn't it? Got in the circle. Yeah, this one fishtailed quite a bit, and you can see by the angle it's in. And this is also one of those arrowheads that is not going to be ultra easy to pull out because I was stupid enough to shape it like this. But there you go. And because I'm a glutton for punishment, I'm going to risk this arrowhead again. Whoa. Okay, my first and my third went into the ground. This one behind the stacks. One more try. Alright, see where that went. Okay, I already kind of know where this went by the sound. So, it went right there in the back block. Oh yeah, and it probably took a bunch of that crap with it, yes, because I made an arrowhead I swear I would never make again. One with barbs. Alright, 5th time downrange. Alright, let's go take a look at that. Well, I'll say this much for the arrow. It shoots well when I shoot well. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, a quick update on Seth's Indonesian fighting weapon, the sawtooth flat stick. That this is modeled after one that a company sells. I will post a link when this is all done to the company. And I'm not selling this to Seth, I'm giving it to him. So he asked me to make this for him because the company that sells it has had it on back order forever. So it's just plain old not available, and he wants one, and he, you know, it's an art that he practices. So I am obliging. It's a good project for me to learn to make something new. This is made out of 4 of his commercial lawnmower blades, so it's a lot of steel in here, forge welded together. A lot of work left to do on it. These from here up is going to have like serrated metal, obviously steel, but serrated, not sharp, but serrated. And I think that was supposed to emulate what they used to use, like shark teeth or something, I think, in the original weapon. But a lot of steel's got to still get sanded off this, because this is still pretty heavy. And this needs to be, quick. And this is not quick yet because it's too heavy. So still working on it, making progress, but there it is. And it survives. I keep trying to make simple pieces the last couple of weeks because Seth's piece is on the sander, not up before, so I got a little more time. And then I keep overcomplicating. So like take this piece, ugly as sin, but it is 6 layers. It's like 2 drill bits wrapped around by a piece of lawnmower blade, and but and I clay tempered it, so it's got a Hammond. So I mean, it's like it's pretty hard on the edge. I'm happy with it. The file skipped across it. I don't know what Rockwell it is right now. I don't care. I'm throwing it down range off the bow and probably gonna break anyhow. So, but anyhow, it'll be fun. And all in all, it's a weird looking thing. It'll be fun. So, all right. I hope you had a good week. Mine was weird. So, but either way, you stay well. Be good.